Ladies and gentlemen, ever since the abrogation of Article 370, the ecosystem has only one raga on its lips, and that is there is no normalcy in Kashmir. However, it forgets how the situation was under the UPA. Yes, former Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde revealed he was scared while visiting Lal Chowk during his ministerial stint as the Home Minister of India. Well, the times have changed. Just last month, Rahul Gandhi was seen enjoying an ice cream in the heart of Srinagar's Lal Chowk. The BJP has now come out and said it's due to Prime Minister Modi that the region is safe. Remember, Prime Minister Modi reminded opposition just last year that the situation in 1992 when he went to Lal Chowk was that there was no possibility of even unfurling a national flag. He cited that despite facing threats, he unfurled the Tiranga in 1992. But let's listen in to the war of words.
विजय भाई, जब मैं होम मिनिस्टर था उसके पहले मैं उनके पास जाता था और एडवाइस भी मांगता था। तो उन्होंने मुझे एक ऐसा असली एडवाइस किया कि सुशील बोले तू इधर उधर मत भटक, तू लाल चौक में जाके वहां भाषण कर, कुछ लोगों से मिल, और वो एडवाइस से मुझे बहुत कुछ पब्लिसिटी मिली और लोगों में एक ऐसा होम मिनिस्टर है कि जो बिना डर के वो जाता है, लेकिन मेरी फटती थी वो किसको बताऊंगा।
I mean the language, not the best choice of words. But तहसीन पूनावाला, अगर सुशील कुमार शिंदे कह रहे हैं कि उनकी फटती थी लाल चौक जाने में, and he was the home minister, then why does the Congress say things are not normal in Kashmir? Because today Rahul Gandhi can have an ice cream in Lal Chowk.
The process of normalization of the now Union Territory and then state of Jammu and Kashmir began, and post 2010, Jammu and Kashmir was thriving, economy was thriving, and it is doing well now. And I have to give that credit to Prime Minister Modi. But and we should give him credit and discuss his success in Jammu and Kashmir. Manipur, rockets and missiles.
When I'm talking about Srinagar and Lal Chowk,
have you seen?
You know, you want to debate Manipur. No, you want to debate Manipur. We will discuss. We will debate Manipur on another occasion. But Vivek Srivastava, did you see the Lok Sabha elections? The manner in which voting percentages have gone up. Yes. And I also want to say, when Sushil Kumar Shinde, who was the then Home Minister, says कि मेरी फटती थी, आज राहुल गांधी वहाँ ice cream खा रहे हैं. Clearly things have improved in Kashmir. Why don't you congratulate Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi's party? Why don't you congratulate Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi?
You cannot, because Kashmir is still being run by the armed forces. Elections are yet to happen. New government is yet to be formed. 5 साल हो गए. Amit Shah told us 3 महीने के अंदर 370 हटा रहे हैं, सब नॉर्मल होगा. आपने राहुल गांधी को जाने से रोका.
सुशील कुमार शिंदे पे कुछ बोलेंगे? सुशील कुमार शिंदे versus ice cream on Lal Chowk. Do you have anything to say on that?
No, I don't agree. I don't agree. Kashmir has normalized. After 1990s, it was the Congress government.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, please respond.
And even today, terrorist attacks have not stopped.
And you're targeting Hindus.
Just two.
Terrorist attacks have not stopped.
Okay, I'm lowering your faders. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Two things which were shown on your program. Definitely, Kashmir has come a long way from that position when you were showing that Narendra Modi ji, as a convener of then BJP President Murli Manohar Joshi's Yatra on 26th of January 1992. And I would like to remind that हमें तो अच्छी तरह याद है, by road नहीं जा पाए थे. They were sent from helicopter. Dr. Joshi was allowed to land in Srinagar from helicopter. Government stopped. We cannot provide you security. और ये वो दौर था from 88 to 98, जब लाल चौक के ऊपर उन 10 सालों में कभी भी 26 जनवरी 15 अगस्त को भी नहीं झंडा फहराया जा सकता था. 26 जनवरी 1999 को झंडा फहराया गया जब वाजपेयी गवर्नमेंट थी. अब आइए साहब, जो आप ये कह रहे थे, होम मिनिस्टर साहब जो कह रहे हैं, उस जमाने में होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया इज सेइंग कि उसकी फटती है। और ये वो दौर था, तहसीन भाई इज सेइंग दैट द नॉर्मलिटी स्टार्टेड 2010। तो अफजल गुरु को फांसी नहीं हुई फरवरी 2014 तक, because then Congress chief ministers, even Ghulam Nabi Azad has rushed to the Delhi and said, अरे अगर फांसी दी तो आग लग जाएगी। So that mercy petition kept pending with the president of India for 7 years। सब नॉर्मलाइजेशन हो रहा था 2010 से, और 2014 आई चैलेंज, अगर बीजेपी का राइज नहीं दिखा होता, इट वॉज फरवरी 2014, जस्ट अ मंथ बिफोर द इलेक्शन फॉर अनाउंस, तो ये कभी नहीं करते।
But today, your alliance partner Omar Abdullah today says that Afzal Guru was wrongly hanged. Where are your priorities, my friend? Where are your priorities? How many people died in the
BJP gave Burhan Wani 4 lakh rupees. With PDP, they formed a government in Mehbooba Mufti. They put all their agenda on the back burner. प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी
होम मिनिस्टर की फटती थी कश्मीर जाने में, और आप भाषण दे रहे हैं।
और आज मणिपुर में क्या हो रहा है, उस पर कोई बात होगी? मिसाइल और रॉकेट्स।
सुधांशु जी,
आज मणिपुर में राहुल गांधी अपनी यात्रा निकाल ले रहे हैं। राहुल गांधी इज हैविंग Z+ विद ASL सिक्योरिटी। चाहे कश्मीर हो या मणिपुर, वो यात्रा निकाल रहे हैं। गवर्नमेंट इज प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल सिक्योरिटी and he's successfully carrying his political campaign oblique agenda, and the agenda is, मैं पहले बोल चुका हूं, फिर कह रहा हूं, last 1.5 years not even a single notice against the Manipur government, not even a single notice of no confidence against Manipur government, no demonstration in Imphal, notice of no confidence against central government on Manipur issue, but not against the Manipur government in Manipur Vidhan Sabha. That is the hypocrisy, because you want to do politics in Delhi on the issue of Manipur, not serious about solving the issue of Manipur.
well, if the former home minister from the Congress party, Sushil Kumar Shinde, actually comes out and says कि लाल चौक में मुझे जाने को कहा जाता था, मेरी फटती थी. This is the record of the UPA government. And today, Rahul Gandhi walks the Lal Chowk. There is the unfurling of the Tiranga that happens there every year. And Rahul Gandhi can even go across for an ice cream at night. Yet, the Congress party questions security in Jammu and Kashmir. Tehseen Poonawalla would do you well if you would go back and look at the time between 2004 and 2014. Well, I'm completely out of time. The cat is out of the bag. Sushil Kumar Shinde had said what he had to say, and that puts the record of the UPA government on the table. Viewers will be the judge. Thank you very much to all my panelists, and thank you, viewers, for joining me on the News Hour tonight.